Lesson 4. That is. This is. Those are. And these are. Let's learn English. We use this is when we refer to one person, animal, or object that is near us.
This is a crab.
That is a tree.
This is a crab. That is a tree.
We use those are to refer to two or more persons, animals, or objects that are far from us.
Those are rocks.
Those are benches.
Those are rocks. Those are benches.
We use these are when we refer to two or more persons, animals, or objects that are near us.
These are books.
This is a book.
That is a book.
We use that as when we refer to a person, animal, or object that is far from us.
These are pencils. This is a pencil.
Those are pencils.
These are papers. Those are papers.
This is a chair.
That is a chair.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.com.